All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and you already know it's a good day when we got them wings on the menu. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these fried Hennessy wings with a little of that Hennessy glaze. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients real quick. Back here we have our chicken wings, flour, we have some Hennessy right here, paprika, thyme, salt, black pepper, more paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, and some more black pepper there. That's all we're gonna need. Let's get into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna prepare our flour mixture. We're gonna add our seasoned salt here, our onion powder, our garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, and our cayenne pepper. And we're gonna give this a good mix like this. And you can adjust your seasoning as you see fit. All right, just like that. We're gonna set this aside, bring over our Hennessy. We're gonna add our buttermilk, our thyme, salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. And we're gonna give this a mix. All right, we're gonna move this aside real quick. We're gonna come back to it, but we're gonna bring over our chicken and we're gonna pour our wet mixture over our chicken like this. We're gonna try to get that chicken submerged in there as much as possible. Just like that. All right, we're just gonna cover this up, put it in the refrigerator, let it marinate for 2 hours, and then we're gonna come back. So after that 2 hours, I let this rest for 30 minutes to get it to room temperature. Now we're gonna start breading our chicken pieces. We're just gonna take one, maybe take a couple of them. Let's do 3. Add it to our flour. Go in with our dry hand, and we're gonna get these babies coated up real good. Make sure you press that flour down onto the chicken. That helps it get really crispy. Shake off the excess, and we're just gonna place these babies right here on the side like this. All right, so we're gonna finish the rest of them up, and once we finish them up, we're gonna come back, all right? All right, so now that we've breaded all our chicken, let's move over to our stove because I called another audible and we're gonna continue. So I decided to make some Hennessy sauce, not to toss the wings in, but to just drizzle it in just to give it that extra Hennessy flavor. We're gonna heat up this saucepan. We're gonna add our Hennessy. We're gonna use some pineapple juice also as well, some brown sugar, and some red chili flakes. And we're gonna get this baby mixed in. We're gonna let this simmer to allow the alcohol content to burn off. And while we're doing that, we're gonna start bringing our oil up to 350 degrees so we can start dropping our chicken pieces. So once you burn off the alcohol content, you're gonna add some cornstarch in here. And this is just gonna help thicken it up. And you want this to just come up to boil. So once you notice that sauce thicken up like that, we're gonna turn our heat off and we're gonna move our pan, set it to the side until our chicken is done. You guys have been asking for this for a very long time. And I am so grateful for your support that my highly anticipated cookbook, Still Not a Chef, is available for pre-orders. It's relaxed, it's flavor forward, and it's made for people who just love good food. Pre-orders are open now, link in the description. All right, so now that our oil is up to temperature, we're gonna start dropping our chicken pieces. So we're probably going to cook these in batches because we don't want to drop the temperature of our oil. Like I said, we're gonna cook these babies until they're crispy, 5 to 7 minutes. And when you know it's done, that chicken is floating to the top. All right, so it looks like our first batch is done. We're gonna go ahead and get these babies removed. Take a look at that. We're gonna add him here to this resting rack. We're gonna go in with the remaining of our chicken pieces. All right, so we're finishing up our last batch. We're gonna go ahead and get these babies out of here. Guys, take a look at how crispy those babies are. We're gonna add them here to our warming rack with the rest of them. Turn our heat off. Let's head over to our cutting board. All right, so all our chicken pieces are done, guys. You wanna take a look at how crispy these babies are. Man, look at that. Now you can eat these babies exactly like this. It's gonna have that Hennessy flavor to it. But as I call my audible, I'm gonna drizzle a little Hennessy glaze on these babies to give it that extra kick. All right, so let's get these babies plated up so we can head to quality control. And there you have it, guys. Fried Hennessy glazed wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. We gotta do a quick taste test. These babies looking good. Hey, listen, I ain't had no wings in a long time, so we definitely finna jump into this quality control. Take a look at them wings, man. You know what, I'm gonna start out with a flat, man. Let's see what these flats about. Oh, man. Oh man, this baby's so crunchy eating, Hennessy eating. Oh man, it got that Hennessy flavor, but without the alcohol, guys. We burnt it off in the simmering process, all right? Guys, these definitely ones you want to try. Trust me. So until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. But remember, I'm the wing king, but him not a chef. He just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.